Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study better with ADHD. First, create a dedicated, distraction-free study space to minimize interruptions. Next, break down large assignments into smaller, manageable chunks, perhaps 20 to 30 minutes each. Use a planner to keep track of all your assignments and deadlines. Finally, set clear, achievable goals for every study session to stay focused and motivated. To truly engage with your material, try active learning methods such as summarizing key points in your own words. Remember to take frequent, short breaks, perhaps every 25 to 30 minutes, to refresh your mind. Visual aids and color coding your notes can also make information more accessible. A great technique is to explain concepts aloud, as if teaching someone else, to solidify your understanding. Minimizing distractions is crucial. Turn off all phone notifications and close any unnecessary tabs on your computer. If external noise is an issue, consider using noise-canceling headphones. Practice mindfulness to gently bring your attention back when your mind wanders. Also, identify your peak focus times during the day and schedule your most challenging tasks for those periods. Regularly reviewing material is essential for long-term retention. Don't forget to reward yourself for completing study goals. This positive reinforcement can be very motivating. Prioritize your overall well-being by ensuring you get adequate sleep and maintain a balanced diet. Finally, don't hesitate to seek support from teachers, tutors, or a study group when you need extra help or accountability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.